Okay, guys. So I'm JJ.
Diamond Dragon.
Diamond. Or just call him Diamond. Name's too long. Anyways, today's gonna be kind of a serious one. I got some Pringles and Gatorade, and Cody's got some Cheetos and a Gatorade. So we're just gonna kind of be talking about the last vlog there. And okay,
there was a lady. You've never seen her before. She is
Izzy. She used to be my sister, and she used to be my sister, and I mean we lived together for a very long time, and then
I still say you're brother and sister, even if it's not through blood.
Right. Mm-hmm. I mean, we know each other, basically. Like me and Cody, we're not blood, but
our relationship is so strong that we are like brothers.
Basically. Now, I don't know what to say. Yeah. So.
I'm speechless.
Yeah. So I know you guys are probably wondering what was that girl in the background. That is my sister, and yeah.
I kind of told them everything. Like
yeah.
I said, they were sister, Izzy.
Yeah, I know, but I kind of want to do like a brief video, kind of sit down and talk, fun, or sometimes it's gonna be a serious vlog, guys. So yeah,
And sorry we haven't been keeping up with our schedule.
Listen, last week was a bad week. Last week, guys, we weren't able to upload three videos last week because
we've been having some real troubles finding each other since the storms that have been happening.
Yeah, we've been getting storms, and then this was the only week that we were actually feeling up to upload. Last week I wasn't feeling well. Cody was tired. We all were not. Just we had a banger vlog to upload. We did, and then this storm ruined everything.
We could have really. My phone is waterproof, water resistant. We could have totally done a storm chasers episode.
Yeah.
We basically just run into the rain and tend to be like, oh my god, so.
Basically, what we're gonna do.
But nah, the wind was like really intense, and
yeah, we're gonna do a Nerf war. Going to get people around the neighborhood.
Trying to anyway.
Fun. Yeah, we were just gonna have fun.
That kid back there, we would have been playing for longer, but
he got out of hand, guys.
Started throwing out profanities.
Yeah. He started throwing out profanity. It got like a lot of heated. It wasn't like in the vlog.
It was
outside.
Right after.
No, it wasn't right after. It was like 30 minutes after the vlog. We tried uploading, and I mean we got a couple videos uploaded. They might not be long, guys, but you're at least seeing what we do. And tomorrow we're gonna do a morning routine. I'm gonna wake up first. I'm gonna get up Cody, and we're gonna do the morning routine. And then after that, the next day or next week, we'll do a nighttime routine. Now we're gonna try to upload 5 videos this week since we were not able to upload last week. So we might upload a Nerf war, or maybe this is just gonna be a Q&A. But yeah. All right, so we're just gonna start eating, and yeah. Let's get into it. And then we'll just talk about some stuff that's been going on. So yeah.
This was his idea.
Yep. It's a pretty cool idea too.
I've never seen anyone on YouTube do this. Look at that one guy in the car.
Well, it's fun.
I mean, I get to eat, so.
But yeah. So, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment. Now,
or we'll delete your Fortnite account.
It's simple.
Simple as that. You just hit that subscribe and like. Oh, and
share the video, please. Like, share the video.
Yeah, why don't you share this video? We're gonna trend. If one of you outsiders, not from either of our families, because that's like do watch this and are able to share it with other people,
please do.
We need subscribers.
We do. feeling. I mean, on our first day, we got like 12 subscribers straight off.
It was really good.
It was good. And then,
That was in unison.
but yeah, yeah. But yeah, Izzy. Are you good?
Yep.
Izzy is a really nice girl. She'll probably be in tomorrow's vlog. Not gonna lie.
It probably is. That crunch was right in my ear. I forgot how big those. I forgot how crunchy these Pringles. I can't show them the label because that would technically be copyright.
Yeah.
And we're not advertising, so.
Yeah, we're not advertising. We're not getting paid. Well, you know, we can advertise this. We're not getting paid to do it, but you know what? These are so good that we're gonna advertise it. Check out Cheetos. Eat them. They're awesome. They're cheese puffs. Check out Gatorade. Fruit Punch. Check out the Wendy's Baconator. Okay, these chips are incredible. Check them out. They're should be at your local store. Okay.
Walmart, Winn-Dixie. Pretty much anywhere. Anywhere where you can find chips, these will be there.
It doesn't matter.
Don't miss out.
Also, try the Baconator. Amazing.
But if you are allergic to artificially flavored, there you go.
Artificial flavor.
Yeah, that's like the worst part about it, besides the calories. I mean, it only has 150 calories
Yeah.
in this giant tube.
At least 50 chips in here. But, yeah.
This video kind of got off track from Izzy and the
Explain.
video to Pringles, Cheeto Puffs, Supreme.
But yeah. Now I know we're not that big on YouTube, but me and Cody have been talking about it, releasing merchandise, and it's not gonna be like other YouTubers where like our sweatshirts are like $50. Our sweatshirts are probably gonna be like $20. Our t-shirts $10. We should make hats and everything. We're gonna.
But if you are from Alba Educational Center,
They'll go down $5.
no, they go free. I've kind of already made that promise.
Huh?
Kind of already made that promise to people.
Okay.
Alba, it's gonna be free because you guys have been with us.
But if
Well,
we do drop merch, please buy it. We're trying to save up enough money to buy some more gaming gear and vlogging
if we
gear.
can buy a good face cam, a good mic, and like because we already have an Xbox and a bunch of games.
So guys, listen, if we can, okay, all we have to do is get at least $1,000 from doing this YouTube. I don't care how long it takes us to get it, but that's the price we're gonna
If
have
it takes
to.
a year, it takes
It's a year. We're just trying to upload. Listen, the more you buy our merch, the more bangers we're gonna upload. The more motivated we stay. The more you like the video, the more subscribers we get, the more motivated we get, and the more we wanna, upload.
And with those banger contents comes new contents. We got weaponry. We have reviews. We
what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a desk. We're gonna take the monitor that's right there. We're not gonna show you guys because I don't want to mess up the camera view. There's a monitor. We can take that Xbox. We're gonna put it on a desk. Put the Xbox there. Get a controller. And me and Cody are gonna take turns just dropping banger.
Actually, I'm actually moving that to over there. That whole, you know how that whole side of the room is getting renovated, right?
Is it?
Yeah, like
Okay, we're getting off
that
track.
whole side, like where that cabinet is. There's gonna be a desk right there. That's where all my gaming equipment's gonna go.
And then so that's where we're gonna upload.
Well, maybe the Big Mac's still gonna be out there.
No. I'm talking about the monitor. The Xbox just goes right there, and the charger just goes right there.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Sorry, we're gonna try to get sidetracked. I don't even know what's going on.
Yeah, this was started off as a serious video, but
We want to have fun.
Dang it, I forgot this. Dang it, you can do it with some bottles. Basically, if I did that, it would go like. Ooh. No, you have to be on like. Ooh. That's how this is how you do it. Ooh, woo, woo. Ooh, wow, wow, ooh. Gatorade. The memes.
Sure. Now, guys,
The
okay.
memes are strong with this one.
Another thing, if you guys are wondering why our reaction video to Try Not to Laugh was taken down, we got copyrighted. Our first copyright claim, guys. Because there was a Drake song in there, and I guess YouTube copyrighted that, or Zoom.
I was about to sing it, but then I was like, ooh. It was basically that music video where he's doing like that on it.
Hotline
close,
Bling.
Close to the ground. And
Hotline Bling. It's just what it's called. Hotline Bling.
okay. Well, we might get copyrighted for you saying that. Anyway.
No, I'm not saying it.
Oh, fair point. Fair point. Hotline Bling could be like a hot merch line of bling.
Bling. Yeah.
That's what we meant.
Copyright us again, YouTube. I dare you.
Please don't. He's doesn't know what he's saying.
You're touching me.
Okay.
It's fine. I gave him a bloody nose earlier.
He did. We got an argument over Fortnite, and
I'm gonna reenact the scene. I pushed him, he pushed me, I did that, and then it went,
yeah, you just went like,
oh, and it went like this and just went,
yeah. I mean, I get bloody nose frequently. You know,
like
how it
he
is.
could like like, I did get bloody nose.
Yeah, I used to have a weak nose. I once sniffed something and my nose started to bleed.
We're not gonna bring that up.
Should I?
Why not?
Okay, so this one day, I just got over a bloody nose. I lost about a quart of blood. Yeah, it was my grandparents. So I just got back. You know, I was messing around with my brother, my older brother, so I wasn't really happy about that. I just leaned over a chair, and he decides to stick his stinky socks in my face. I accidentally took a whiff because I was just like, because you know I was bending over. So when I do that, I just see drip, 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 drip. I'm like, whoa! So I run to the bathroom. I lost a lot of blood that day, but even more the second time we went to my grandma's and grandpa's. Apparently, I don't know what happened, but I think I was watching something. I don't know what it was, but all of a sudden, I just like scratched my nose, and I run to the bathroom. They probably thought I just had to poop real bad, but
Oh my god.
yeah, blood just everywhere. It even covered all like over my whole mouth area, and it was all over the sink. Like I was just leaning over the sink like this with blood dripping. Do I really need to know all this?
No. You could have just said I was over at my grandma's. I don't know what happened. I scratched my nose. And a bunch of blood came down. It was really bad. That's all I had to say.
You know
I'm
what?
making the video longer than it has to be.
We're giving you the details.
Okay, we're getting close to 15 minutes, and we can't go past 15 minutes because we don't have YouTube Premium. We will get it. If you guys buy our merch, we'll get it. I mean,
we could get
easy as that.
YouTube Gold where I'm pretty sure that's like up to 30 minutes.
No, it's up to like you could film as long as you want.
Not if you get YouTube Gold. That's like the tiny version of Premium.
Oh, alright. Well, goodbye, because we're getting to 15 minutes. So
Wait. That's not no.
Peace.
That's not let it time out yet. No.
okay.
Let's wait for it to like really. No.